Hello guys, my name is Sunil Tomar. I welcome you to Coders Planet for React Practical Guide. In this video and upcoming video, I will set up a production grade application from scratch with the TypeScript and webpack. So, there are prerequisites for this tutorial series is that you should have basic understanding of React.js concept and components and JSX, and there are a few additional topics like hooks, state, and component rendering. So, before proceeding to this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the below bell icon. So, in this tutorial series, I'm going to teach you each and everything about the React.js from the scratch. So first in this video, I'm going to set up the React.js basic application with the TypeScript and webpack. And in the second video, I will configure webpack and TypeScript to allow rendering images and SVG. And set up webpack configuration for multiple environment in the third video, and linting and ESLint in the fourth video, and code splitting with the prettier. So this is the topics I am going to cover in upcoming videos, and apart from there are a lot of things that I will cover in upcoming videos. So once this topic has been covered, then I will show you blueprint for the next upcoming videos. So back to our code editor. So you can see this is the Visual Studio Code for installing and setup basic or Node.js, like suppose if Node.js installation and npm installation, you can refer another video. So just I am going to set up React.js project in the Visual Studio Code. So first I need to create a folder. So you can see this is React app TypeScript. This is the basic folder. Inside that I'm going to set up my project, right? So first you need to create a src folder and then build folder and then public folder for writing your public content, and inside the public folder I need to create index.html for holding your HTML view, HTML5, and here div element with the root selector, ID selector. Now I need to initialize npm init package.json file. So you can see this is the package.json file where you can see the name of your project, version of your project, and description. Main file means this is the starting of your application. Script. Inside the script you are gonna write some script to run from this command line interface, and this is the keywords. You can write some keyword over here. Author, in this case I am author for this project, so I can write my name here, and license, which license you want to acquire for your project. So now I need to install some packages for supporting React.js. So first of all I need to install React and React DOM. Inside the, let me create one file for writing React.js code. So there is index.js file inside the src folder, and create one more file as tsconfiguration, tsconfig.json. tsconfig.json and create one more folder. I will create that part later, so you can see inside that. Before that, I need to create I need to copy paste some ts configuration in this file, sorry, in not in this file, in tsconfig.json file. So this is the basic configuration for typescript setup. Okay, so now write first react component, and I'm going to sync uh, our view with the react dom. So first you need to create a container, and in container will refer to the get element by id and root as html element, right? And here container inside the there I need to create a root from create root from. I think there are some packages I need to install first. npm I d typescript types react for supporting typescript, right? Types and react dom, and one more package I forgot to add, typescript, and this is done. And now I need to create one more react component here, app.tsx. So first I need to complete this one, index.js file, create root. I think package has been installed. Let me check it. This is the packages are installed inside the dev dependencies, types react dom, and typescript, right? These are these packages are installed as a dev dependency to provide the support at the time of development. It is not required at the time of production, right? So let's create one folder. Let me create one component, app component, and I need to refer that component. So inside the root content, let me import create root from pass container to it, and root dot render. First I need to import packages, import create root from react dom client, right? And here I need to pass app component here. So export const app component and return. I'm writing here just first component element as hello react. So this is my react component, and I'm just referring this app component here, and I have imported app component here, and this is going to render on the browser, so you can see. And so this is done. Now I need to create one more folder, tools, and inside the tools I need to write webpack, and inside the webpack I need to write the webpack configuration, webpack config.js. Before that I need to install some packages for supporting Babel, for transfiling the JS latest ECMAScript standard into the supporting older browsers, or we can say in the lower ECMAScript version, so that can be executed in the browsers, because browser does not support the latest ECMAScript standards. So npm I hyphen d uh, @Babel core Babel preset env for modern JavaScript @Babel preset preset React Babel 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 preset TypeScript. Module dot exports. This is the configuration for webpack. What is webpack and what is Babel? Babel is for transfile your code into the lower standards or lower ECMAScript version, and webpack is for modeling your JavaScript code, or we can say it is a static module bundler which actually combine all your JS file into the one file, and that is static content and can be served into the browser. So now we need to add some more packages. So I'm going to install I-D as a dev dependency. So what are those packages? Webpack CLI and Webpack dev server for running your application in into the in local development, and HTML Webpack Webpack plugin and mode development for running your application into the development environment, and entry point of your program of your application. Here app, inside the app, just we need to add one path here, const path require path, and here path.resolve directory dot src index dot tsx. output 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 file name bundle dot js path. This is the output object which is actually going to compile your code, and with the bundle.js, and output path will be path.resolve and directory. You can write here public no build dot 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 dot, and here else also dot dot to go two step back. See, this file is two step inside the root folder, so tools and webpacks. So we have to uh, reach this path, so two step back and src index.tsx, and now Now plugins, right? Plugins. Inside the plugins, resolve extensions. First I need to write resolve extensions. Resolve extensions, tsx, jsx, right? And now I need to write plugins new HTML plugin. Inside the HTML plugin, I need to write file name index.html and template path dot resolve directory public index.html. Okay, so you can see this one. Now we need to write code for loaders, means compiling our TypeScript code. So you can see module rules. Inside the rules there is a ts to transfile the tsx files, that is ts loader there to load the tsx file here. And now npm install, I need to install ts loader. Now let me see something. For I'm gonna format it so now it's look prettier. Let me check something is missing. If and one thing is missing, I need to write here start command to start our application. And just a second, by start, and here you can see I need to write webpack dev server, and here one field webpack, sorry, I have to fetch this path, right? So tools webpack, inside the webpack we have a webpack dot config dot js file, and now open it into the browser. So now you can see our configuration are ready. Now we are going to start our project. You can see that. I hope this will work. Boom. Oh, something missing. Just let me check it. Webpack config development index app src index.tsx file index. Okay, output bundle.js build and rule. Okay, html. Okay, so we have missed here. Now again starting this file. Okay, so you can see it is running. I hope now this will run successfully. Yes, it is. Now you can see hello React. So guys, this is the basic React setup from the scratch with the TypeScript and webpack. In upcoming videos, we will see a lot more about the webpack and TypeScript, how to provide support for the images and SVGs, and a lot more. So thank you for this video.